Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about an update to a product research software that just made analyzing products a lot easier and a lot more effective. That sounds like something you'd enjoy watching. Be sure to stick around to the end. Be sure to like and subscribe if you happen to be new. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're going to move over into my computer here. And this is going to be quite a quick video, okay? It's Monday. Hope you guys have a great start to your week. I know I sure am. Let's get into it. So what is this tool? Well, first, why don't we go find something to sell on Amazon? We'll just do a quick bit of product research here on a lovely Monday morning, and then I'll show you what it is. We do not need Tooltip Wednesday. So let's get into it. We'll just pick a few categories here. Nothing too difficult. Go down in the comments below and let me know how your product research has been going lately. Struggling with it? Or are you finding a lot of products? Because I've actually been finding a lot of products. So if you want me to make a video about how I've been finding a lot of products, I do frequently, but I could always do another one. So for this situation, why don't we just look for something that sells a realistic amount of units per month? Right, something we could keep in stock. Something that sells maybe 200 to 500. Average monthly price, let's go over 20, but under 100. And then monthly search volume, why don't we just go about 1,000 to maybe about 10,000 or so. We'll go competition. Medium is fine. I'm okay with medium competition because this is oftentimes not actually accurate as to what your real competitors are. So let's go ahead and sort this backwards, as I usually do. I just think it has more realistic results that way. So as we look through here, now this is not the tool, by the way. I just want to find a quick product idea to do some research on, right? So let's see, tile cutter hand tool or deck tiles interlocking outdoor both have caught my attention. Also Zen Garden accessories, because there's probably a lot of different products here. Let's do Zen Garden accessories. So as you can see, we have this tool, which has always been here, right? It shows you the ASIN, it shows you their rank, and it shows you how many sellers there are and what category they're in. But look at this, guys. Look what just happened underneath the listing. So this is what the whole video is about, by the way. I was in the middle of doing product research late last week, and I was like, what am I seeing right now? Am I really seeing the revenue of things without clicking into them? Does that really mean that I could just scroll through Amazon, look at listings, and instantly see how much they're making? So this listing is making 8,000. This listing, we would have thought maybe it was one of the best ones, only making 2,000. Guys, this is Jungle Scout's data. It's pulling it up directly. And if we click on this setting, it'll actually let us customize what we want to see here. So you can see now there's an Amazon page data point and then also an extension. So the extension is just what we're always used to looking at here. But on the Amazon page, it'll show us all of these things that we want to click in. So you could actually make it far more data intensive if you wanted to select all of these. I've actually customized mine to what I like to see, so you could copy these if you'd like to. But other than that, guys, yeah, that's it. So it's pulling the data directly from here. So check this out. If we look at this, 8,125 for the listing with 552, 8,125 for the listing with 552 reviews. It's pulling Jungle Scout's extension data, and they just put it right to the front page. I couldn't think of a cooler way of doing product research, because one of my favorite ways of doing product research is just going to a category and looking through Amazon. And it used to be this whole thing of like opening up the extension, clicking onto product pages, opening it there, opening it, looking for the one that I'm actually looking for and curious how this one's doing. Right now you get access to that data instantly. So that's something really cool that just popped up. I usually don't cover updates. Like there's always an update out on like someone's doing this, someone's doing that. But this is really cool. I want to give my sincere hats off to Jungle Scout for doing this, because this is the kind of ingenuity that I look for in the software space. Something so simple, right? Let's just throw some data on Amazon's page. But this is really cool. So all of a sudden, look, right? We're just scrolling through here. Almost doesn't even feel like we're doing product research. We're actually just looking at accessories or products. And all I'm doing now is I just have my eye on that revenue spot. So it just allows me to look and see when something stands out, right? So I mean, they're doing 152,000. Good luck catching up to them though. One that did catch me was right here. Okay, 44 reviews, 310 sales per month, $39.99, 12,000 per month. Let's check that out, right? So now we actually have a product idea, because we were just simply looking through here, and were I to have started from up here and just opened Jungle Scout, I might have looked at this as a market as a whole, or maybe I would have looked at that and skipped over that one. I was just looking through Amazon, saw the picture, and instantly saw the revenue. So that's why that's cool. So why don't we go a little bit further in depth with that product? Now, the whole video was just about this update. So this, if you have Jungle Scout already, this should already activate for you. There shouldn't have to be anything you have to do. At least I don't think, because I didn't do anything and this popped up for me. If you don't have Jungle Scout, there is of course a discount down below. That is an affiliate link if you want to use that. Or don't get it at all. If you're just here to watch the video and you like watch my channel, you're welcome to stay as well. So this is an okay listing. I'm okay with the quality of the pictures. I think that's probably why they're doing pretty well. They have pictures, they have a video. Videos definitely help. I'm pretty sure Amazon just made it so that everyone can put videos in their listings. Don't quote me on that, but I've been hearing that. It's not an official source, but yeah, so they launched in July. We're now 1 day away from September. They've been crushing it. They've been ranking this really efficiently. And actually, if we go look at Keeple, let's go look at how they've actually gotten their reviews. Reviews look okay to me, because as you can see, they actually launched right back here July 2nd, and then they didn't get their first review until July 22nd. So there was sales, and there was actually about 3 weeks in between that. That looks like they've just been getting organic reviews. And then as time's been going on, the review count has been going up. That looks great. Their sales rank is just consistently sitting around the 60,000 range. That's pretty good. I definitely like that. Okay, so now we have something to model after, right? We could take this listing, we could say, why is this different than what we were just looking at? What is actually so different about that? Is it the bonsai, right? Because I noticed they actually have that in their title. I don't see bonsai trees as an accessory item for any of the other ones. So then maybe we go from there, right? Maybe we include the bonsai thing. Maybe we make it bonsai focused, right? What if we did several bonsai trees along with the little trinkets? Okay, and maybe we did a different color bamboo. And then maybe we add something unique that none of these other kits have quite yet. Okay, so this isn't a product research or a product analysis video, but I always love to touch on opportunities like that. So that's gonna do it for today's video, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in. Go check out Jungle Scout's new update, because I've been absolutely loving it. Maybe you haven't done product research in the last week and you haven't seen this yet. Like I said, if you already have it, it'll just pop up. So just go do product research, and what it does is it takes away one of the steps and allows us to do our scroll test and gather data at the same time. So if you stuck around the channel any length of time, you know what the scroll test is, but I'll leave you with that. Thanks so much for tuning into the channel, and I'll see you here for another video next time. Later.